Hi everyone, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I have an unboxing for you. Yep, I have an unboxing, but this is an unboxing because this is a de-stash. I am looking to sell this canvas, so I'm going to show you everything that comes in this canvas. And if there's anything in this canvas that you do not want, just let me know when you give me the email at pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com. Just let me know. I am trying to de-stash. I got two of these. So this is Nuzzling Wolves by Kathy Lipscomb. It's a 30-inch by 20-inch, so it's not really big. And this is a square canvas with 60,501 drills. Well, maybe it is a decent size. 54 colors, including 4 ABs. This is going to be beautiful. So make me an offer plus shipping and it's yours. Let's see what we got. And this box is broken. It will be shipped in this box, but it will be taped up. Okay. It comes with the little sticker. Move the mouse over there. Put that over there. Let me move this stuff over there. Okay. Oh, this one's a nice one. Have you ever opened one and went, yuck, yucky poo-poo? Nope, I haven't. They're all so pretty. Oh, here's your toolkit, old style toolkit. It comes with baggies. Those are baggies, tweezers, a pen, a squishy, a 3 multi-placer, and a tray, and 2 hearts of wax. And let me see if I can get these all in a bag, because they're all like loose. So now you get a bag and a baggie. Oh, I'm going to do the best I can, but there you go. I thought maybe this would have come with a cover minder, but it doesn't. But I'm sure I can find a cover minder for you. If you really want a cover minder, I can find one for you. Let me know that in your email as well. So, look at this. Is it not pretty? This does not have the perforated paper, but it is sticky. No perforated paper. This is going to be nice. There is an AB. Let's bring you down a little bit. There's an AB right there, the yellow. There's a red AB, a pink AB. Ooh, a blue or black AB. And does it have fairy dust? No fairy dust, but it does have the 5200 drill, which is your white, which is right there. And there's your AB, there's an AB, there's an AB, here's an AB. Look at those colors. It's almost like a big hero sandwich. And it is a square. And there's some static going on. Yep. So you will need a fabric sheet when kitting this up. If you want me to kit it up before sending, I can do that as well. I will put them in baggies. Yep, let me know if you want me to do that. So, this is nice. Beautiful colors. I think I have it still, another one of these canvases. So, make me an offer via email plus shipping, and we will get this out to you. So this is one that they had in Joann's, and it was one that I had to have, and there was 3 left, and I think we bought all 3 because I was going to do one as a giveaway and give my sister one, and then I was going to do one. But since things happen, life happens, I decided I am just going to sell this at best offer. And I did the Rainbow Wolf as a giveaway. Everybody completed it. It was part of the traveling canvas. I thought about doing this one too as the traveling canvas, but we wanted to do a dreamer design, and it's going to be a few more months before we have to decide on another one. So yeah, I'm so excited. This is so pretty. Okay, let me do my stand up so you could see how big it is. It's a 20 by 30. Okay. Look at those wolves. I can't see what you see. It's definitely pretty. So if you want this one, let me know, guys. And remember, you get the little picture too. And you get the old style toolkit, which if you want a little cover minder, I'm sure I can find one somewhere to include. And if you want me to kit it up, let me know that too. Oh, here is your sticker sheet. I will make a copy of this and include it just so you can have it. And this does not apply because I think this is the warranty. Yeah, this talks about the warranty, and it also gives you some tips and tricks. So, yeah. All right, everyone. Be kind, stay warm, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.